party people? Have you ever tried to get something started online but didn't have the money to make it happen because you were brand new and you had no extra money to spend on it? Or even worse, have you ever started some online venture and found yourself putting out more money on tools and services and trainings than you actually had coming in, which kind of made your business or your dream more of a draw on your finances than an actual dream? Well, if that's you, better go grab your brooms, because we're cleaning it all out today, right here on the Brick Report. This is the new marketer's guide to saving money. Let's get into it. Whether you want to start an online business or whether you want to just make some extra money online, what you're going to need is you're going to need a system. Now this box, it's going to represent the system. Now this system is going to need three components inside of it to make it work, right? It's going to need training. That is the products and the courses that you buy to educate yourself, to improve your system, to optimize your system, to make it the best system it can possibly be so that you can make money on the internet. It's going to need tools and services. That is things that are going to help you speed up your processes, things that are going to help you make stuff happen in your business, like sending out emails to thousands of people. And then it's going to need time. You're going to have to find some extra time in your day to make your system work, to dedicate attention to your system so that you know everything is running smoothly. These are the three components that you're going to need to make your system operate, and all of them take money. However, today I'm going to show you how to eliminate all costs from your system so that you can do it all for free, and then when you're making more money, you can invest some money in your system. But the beauty of it will be that your system will be able to cover its own costs and you won't have to spend money out of pocket. Sound good? All right, let's do it, guys. The first thing I want to talk about is training. What I want you to do is I want you to adopt the mentality of a casual affiliate. And when you position yourself as an affiliate marketer, that will allow you the ability to get free access to the trainings that you need to make your system go. The way you accomplish this is quite easy. Step one, I want you to set up a YouTube channel. Give it a name that correlates to product reviews. Step two, I want you to look at the last 4 or 5 things that you bought in the niche that you want to be in, and I want you to give your opinion on those things. Tell people what it is, your experience with it, and what you thought of it. That's it. Let them know if it works. Give a simple review. You don't even have to put an affiliate link in there. What we really want is the content on your YouTube channel. Once you got those 5 pieces of content on your blog or on your YouTube channel, now you're positioned as an affiliate marketer. Target the training that you are interested in picking up, request to promote it, then go over to Facebook, friend request that product vendor, reach out to them on Facebook through private message, and let them know, hey, I'm an affiliate marketer. I just requested to promote this product over here on my YouTube channel. Could I get review access to this product so that I can review it? I'm interested. That's it, right? Now, the fact that you're reaching out to them on Facebook and the fact that you actually have positioned yourself as an affiliate is going to increase your chances dramatically of getting a review copy. Now, if you've never promoted anything on that platform, they're gonna know it. They're going to see you have no sales on that platform. So you just need to own that and be honest. Honesty is the best policy, my friends. Just own it. Step 4. Whenever you want to learn something new or get some new training that you're interested in, commit to doing a simple review on it and request a review copy. You're going to give yourself the opportunity and put yourself in the position to actually earn back by allowing other people access to your opinions on this product. Because your opinions are valuable and they're worth money. Now, by doing this, you're going to be able to get free access to a lot of training. Whatever your system is, respect it and honor it by not deviating too far from the path. You don't want to get information overload. All you're going to do is dilute your energy and ruin your potential to actually make real money. Alright guys, I hope that helps. It's going to give you a lot of free training. In the next segment, I want to talk to you about tools and services, but we'll get to that after these messages. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with me on today's episode of the Brick Report. I just wanted to let you know that I have an Insiders Club. It's a discount club, and we offer group coaching every single month. We hang out, we talk, I answer everybody's questions about their businesses. So you'll basically get a professional marketer answering your questions on how to further your business and get ahead in the internet marketing space for the discounted rate of only $10.80 a month. So click the link below in the description and check it out. Okay guys, now most people's systems, they're all going to involve a way to build an audience or acquire an audience and a way to cheaply advertise to that audience. Now, many people use email to do that because it is quite literally the cheapest, most effective way to advertise to that audience. Knowing that, I want to give you guys all the tools that you're going to need to start a full-time online business, and all these tools are going to be free, so listen up. The first one that you need to know about, and it is absolutely essential because this tool is so valuable. It's the Google Office Suite. This is going to include Google Docs, it's going to include Google Sheets, it's going to include Google Slides. They basically represent PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Word. However, it's the Google version of those softwares. They're all cloud-based, and they're all free, and they're all extremely intuitive and valuable. All you need to use these tools is a simple Gmail account. It's great. Now, the other one that you might not be as familiar with is something called Google Classrooms. Google Classrooms is going to allow you to create an entire class in like minutes. Now, this is extremely valuable because it's going to allow you to create products really fast. I actually created a course called Cloud Money that focused on Google Classrooms and how to create products and membership programs using the Google Classroom system. It's an amazing product, and it'll help you get started with that if you're interested. But the fact of the matter is, Google Classrooms is free, and that's an amazing tool. The second thing I want to talk to you about is dictation. Now, as internet marketers, sometimes we do a lot of writing. Google Docs actually has a dictation tool. It's under the Tools setting in Google Docs, and it is extremely accurate. All you need is a headset, and that Google Docs dictation tool is going to pick up what you're saying with pinpoint accuracy and do a great job of dictating for you. It's absolutely free, and you would be surprised at how fast you can bust out articles, posts, entire special reports using that dictation tool. It's awesome and it's free. Hosting. You can create entire products. You can create entire empires with nothing but free tools. You can set things up on a simple Wix site. Use the free tools available to you, and then when you have more money, you can invest back in your business. The next free thing I want to talk to you about is an autoresponder service, because you definitely need an autoresponder service. You want a way to collect emails from people, and generally autoresponder services are not free. The one I recommend is MailChimp. MailChimp's going to allow you to collect up to, I believe, 2,000 email addresses for free. The downside is MailChimp doesn't really like affiliate marketing that much. So what that means is you don't want to do direct affiliate marketing through your emails with MailChimp. What you want to do if you're going to do affiliate marketing with MailChimp is you're going to write them a little email sending them to a free blog post on your blog. And on the blog, you can put your affiliate links in the article. That's how you do it with MailChimp. You need to take that extra step so you're not doing direct affiliate marketing with MailChimp. Now let's talk about video storage, okay? I think that the best solution when you're first getting started is YouTube. YouTube will allow you to host and publish unlisted YouTube videos. That means no one's going to see those videos unless they have a link to those videos. You can use these kinds of videos for your courses. You can use these kinds of videos for your sales pages. You can use these kinds of videos anywhere you want. What I recommend is having a YouTube channel that's just basically an unlisted YouTube channel. It's a channel where all your videos are unlisted and you really don't have any public YouTube videos. If you're going to do public YouTube videos, put them on a separate channel. The other thing I would say is make sure you're backing up all your videos on a hard drive on your computer. That way, if something happens and for some reason your account gets terminated on YouTube, you got all your videos, you can upload them to another YouTube channel or to some other site, and you are good to go. Now, what about everything else? Because that's good for video, but what about written stuff? What about PDF documents? What about audio stuff? What about MP3s? I'll tell you, everything else works really good using a simple Google Drive account. Google Drive is going to give you 15 gigs for free, and all you need is a Gmail account. That's amazing. But let me tell you something. 15 gigs will take you to a full-time income online. So use Google Drive. Store your special reports on Google Drive. Store your MP3s on Google Drive. Use it. It's free. It's going to allow you the opportunity to start an online business for nothing. Next, how do you record your screen so that you can teach people things with video? Use a simple tool called Screencast-O-Matic. You can pick it up at screencast-o-matic.com, and this is going to allow you to record up to 15 minutes for free. 15 minutes is more than enough time. If you have something to say that takes longer than 15 minutes, you want to divide it up into multiple videos because people are going to grow tired of watching the video if it's too long. Now, how do you edit those videos once you record them? I'll tell you, there's a simple open source video editing software that's extremely powerful, and it's called OpenShot. You can pick it up at openshot.org. You're going to love it, and it's going to help you edit your videos for nothing. Alright guys, the tools I just told you about are all absolutely free, and using those tools, you don't need anything else to take your business to a full-time income. As you make money, invest in better tools. Now the next thing I want to talk to you about is probably the most important, and we'll get into that after these messages. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today on the Brick Report. Just want to remind everybody to make sure you get over there to epicconversions.com. Check out the blog. There's tons of free information on there that's going to help you get ahead in your business. Also, there's a lot of free goodies over there that you're going to love. So make sure you get over there and check out epicconversions.com. I'll see you on the website. Peace, everybody. Okay, guys, so now what I want to talk to you about is the subject that I think is probably the most important. I want to talk about the issue of time. All right, so the first thing I want you to do is I want you to figure out what your goal is for the year. And a year, for our purposes, is just a 12-month period. I want you to also come up with a goal for how you plan to get there. Now, I want you to take that yearly goal and plan, and I want you to divide it up into 12 months. Each month is another project, whether that be a sale, a product launch, whether that be 4 affiliate marketing campaigns. What is the project for this month? Now, you don't have to be extremely specific. I'm not asking you to be a fortune teller. I just want a basic outline for what you think the month is going to look like. In entrepreneurship, there tends to be this feeling like you're never done. There's always something else to do. Having monthly projects is going to allow you to have something to reach forward to, a point of completion. Next, I want you to map out that month. Map it out with weekly goals. Now that you have your weekly goals for that first project of the first month, I want you to work out daily do sheet. You're going to map out the 3 to 4 things that you want to get done for tomorrow before you go to sleep. So when you wake up in the morning, you already have a clear idea about what you want to get done that day. So I want you to set aside a dedicated period of time in your day that you're going to be using for your business to accomplish those 2 to 3 things that you want to get done for that day. And that's going to lead to money. Now what I want you to do before we get out of here is I want you to smack that like button like it owes you some money. And I want you to say hi to me in the comments section. I want to thank you so much for spending time with me on the Brick Report this morning. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, everybody.
Now listen to me, brother man, I'll tell it to so you can't understand. We got a whole lot of more discovering. Don't act like you know all to know in the universe.